Hello, I'm Dr. Nikhil Magare. I'm general surgeon practicing in Navi Mumbai. I've attended today's SEPA workshop for Fistula. It was a very enriching experience to attend the workshop, and being a young surgeon who is new to the clinical practice, it is very important to inculcate good clinical habits early during the practice. And the workshop was very fruitful. Jankar sir has in detail given the perspective about how to approach any kind of fistula, whether it is simple fistula or a complicated one. Along with the surgical part, there was detailed lecture regarding the imaging that helps us in dealing with these kind of fistulas. And I would recommend everyone to come and do these kind of workshops for once. It will be helpful. Thank you.